What happened today, we were walking to Butterfly Farm, and then we kept walking farther to find something to do. I felt a little dizzy. I sat down at the bus stop, and bus came. They had no internet service on my phone, so I left my phone on the seat. And when I got up, I just jumped in the bus. I left my phone sitting there on the concrete seat. When I got downtown, maybe an hour later, hour and a half later, I realized my phone was gone. So I called my number right away, and the taxi driver, Christian, picked up and said, "Listen, sir, I have your phone." I said, "Oh, thank God you got my phone." He goes, "Where could I meet you?" I said, "I don't know where I am. I'm downtown." He's giving me all the names of places I haven't. He said, "Meet me by the two big flamingos." I said, "All right, that I can find." So I found the two big flamingos, and sure enough, within 10 minutes after the phone call, he was there at my phone. Yeah. And he made my day. No, absolutely not. Once it's gone, you kiss it goodbye. Yeah. But over here, I mean, the honesty of the people in the island here, every person I met on this island, one is nicer than the other. I got no qualms about that. Everywhere I went, there's hospitality, and the island's beautiful, and the people are just as beautiful as the island. Yeah, my brother-in-law used to come here every year. He said, "Rob, you got to go to Aruba." He passed away recently, but we're here for him, to celebrate him. And sure enough, that guy probably made me lose my phone, then to find it, then to be on the news and to mention him. Yeah. So yeah, Lou, I got my phone back. Yeah. The name of the guy was Christian Gonzalez, taxi cab 206. I love you, thank you, Christian. God bless you and your family. Tourist, it's a beautiful island. The hospitality, the people are great here. There's so many things to do. Nightlife is great, and I love it here. I seen an owl in the street. I seen iguanas running around. It's beautiful. I love it. I recommend it. Can I buy a house here? Thank you. Yeah.